In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Windows taskbar position, side, top, bottom as your choice and requirement in Windows 10 8.7. So you can use this method in any version of Windows. Just right click on taskbar and make sure lock the taskbar is unchecked. So if here is already checked, so uncheck it. Now drag this taskbar and keep anywhere where you want to use this taskbar, like top, right hand, left side or bottom. So it's a very quick and easy method to move position of a taskbar on a Windows PC. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.